Hi everyone. Well, I'm here and I'm ready to work on my performance assessment tasks. I'm getting close to being done with my curriculum project. Yay! So to get into your performance assessment tasks, what you need to do is select your course, and then the top navigation bar, you're going to click My PATs. So I'm at that screen and I'm going to add a PAT. So I will describe it. So this is the title. I'll click Shared to make it shared and then click Save. And now I can click Save on the bottom or in the upper right. And so now I have that performance assessment task added. Now the next step is to go across these tabs across the top. If you click Management and then select our performance assessment task, it's going to show you some information, and at the bottom there's a section for you to enter some notes if you would like. Otherwise you don't need to do anything in the Management tab. Next we'll look at information. Here's where we're going to add our target outcome. So we will select the course competency and then click Save. You can select multiple if you'd like. At the bottom we need to choose our environment, and this is online, and then the evaluators. In this case, it will just be the instructor. So I've finished that. I'm going to click the Save button because I don't want to lose anything, and then I'm ready to go and look at my directions. So I'm going to type my directions. Okay, I could put more detail here. I'm going to click Save. And then next we're ready to add our scoring guide. So I'll click Scoring Guide. And the first thing I need to do is add my criteria. And this is really nice. I'm going to click Add New Criteria. And for that course competency, it pulls in all the performance criterion that I've entered. So I can click this checkbox to select it all. And then beneath it, I can choose the rating scale. So if you use a checklist sort of rating scale, such as met, not met, or pass, fail, observed, not observed, which is what I'm going to start out with, and click Save. If you use that type of scoring, you do not need to come up with your scoring standards. You can just have your scoring guide set up and you're done. If, however, you want to use a different rating scale, a numeric one, you are going to be able and have a need to explain the scoring to your students. So I'm going to demonstrate that by switching the scoring. So I'm switching to 3, 2, 1. I'm going to apply this rating. So now we're on a 3, 2, 1 rating scale. So to explain this to my students, I'm going to go to Scoring and then add my scale so they'll understand what it means. So I click Add Item. I'm going to say a 3. The description of that would be that the work exceeds the criterion. And I could go on and explain what that means specifically. So it means, you know, they've paid attention to detail, good critical thinking skills, and so on. But I'll keep it short. I'll add what a 2 means. And then a 1. Again, I'll save that. So here's my rating scale, and then beneath that is the scoring standard. So this is where I describe how they can be successful. And I want to talk to them. So I've added that. I'm going to click Save. And so now I am done with that. But the next thing I need to do is associate this performance assessment task with this course. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So before we can do that, we need to save and close. And then we're going to go to the course outcome summary and go to the course learning plans, performance assessment tasks. Again, click that again. You can see that we have some listed here, but the EMA one is not listed. So we'll click Edit. We'll add the course item. We want to add a performance assessment task. So we'll check the EMA document performance assessment task and then click Save. It's now listed there. So we are all set with this. I'm going to close this so we're done editing. And we've finished adding that performance assessment task. Naturally, I'll need to go back and finish the rest of those, but this helps you finish those performance assessment tasks. I hope you're ready to get going with yours. Thanks.